welcome back to the King of Facts, and in today's video I will be showing you how to do a cool trick with a Rubik's Cube. For this trick you will need a finished Rubik's Cube. This is a demonstration of what the trick looks like. So it looks like you mixed it up, but it just returns to the normal form. The instructions for this trick are simple. The first move is to turn the top counterclockwise 1, then move to the right side counterclockwise, then move this back one more time, and this goes in. So you just repeat it, this, 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 this. And it becomes this again. The trick to this is because you are repeating the same thing over and over again. So again, this is the instructions. That. So basically this top one just keeps moving to the left, like this. And this right side is going down and then up. So it's this, this. See? This way, down, this way, up. So when you keep practicing it, you'll get better and you can do this trick faster. It works better with a speed cube because that way you can twist it easier, but after you practice a while, this is what it will look like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think this trick was cool, say so in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!